I'm Renegade Baker Diana Acevedo. Thanks so much for joining me today. We're gonna be baking a loaf of keto bread. It's absolutely delicious. It's super duper easy. It's great for small sandwiches. I like to toast it and put a little bit of avocado and everything but the bagel seasoning. It's like a slice of heaven. It's amazing. So let's get right into it because I know you got stuff you gotta do. 7 eggs at room temperature. 1/2 stick of butter melted and cooled. 2 cups blanched almond flour. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon xanthan gum. You're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of oil. You can use olive oil or coconut oil. I prefer avocado oil. This is the brand that I use. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 cup ground flaxseed. 1/4 cup erythritol. This is completely optional. I like to add just a little bit of sweetener to my bread. I prefer just the slightest hint of sweetness. Once you've got your loaf all mixed up and ready to go ahead and put it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. I usually take mine out around 40 minutes, check on it, stick a toothpick in it, make sure it comes out clean, might pop it in for another 3 minutes. It's up to you. Once it's done, take it out, let it rest for about 20 minutes on the counter, and then slice it up. So there you have it, you guys. We've got this awesome, delicious, not really eggy tasting bread. I don't taste any egg to it. It's firm enough to take a sandwich or make toast. Sugar-free, low carb, delicious, super easy to make. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video if you want to keep seeing my videos. Tell me what you liked about it. Tell me what you don't like. Please tell me what you want me to bake next. Give me some ideas, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate all your support and have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all. That's good.